Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm here at the Grand Canyon celebrating my birthday week with my husband Jamil.
Hello.
And I have to apologize if we look really white. We're covered in sunscreen. It's not that hot, but it is very sunny. And I just have to show you guys what's in front of me. Look at that. Look at that death pit. It's pretty scary and it's so surreal. Go ahead, Sean. Careful. These rocks are pretty slippery and I'm scared of falling, but yeah, it's really pretty out here and the weather's nice. Come at the end of summer. Hey, that's like really scary. I would never do that. Guys, it's so steep here. I don't know how people do that. I don't want to die. Hey everyone, so we left off at the Grand Canyon. We actually drove 4 hours to Las Vegas. I didn't get a chance to record any of it. I mean, it's a really long trip, so there's not much to record. So I'm gonna try to vlog a little bit today. We're actually gonna be here for 3 more days, so a total of 4. I didn't record much yesterday, just the Grand Canyon, but I'm actually going to record with my iPhone. So if you guys notice the quality changing in this vlog, that's because of the iPhone. I mean, iPhone has really great quality, but I just feel like the Sony has much crisper image quality. So yeah, what are we doing today, babe?
I'm trying to like not be in your shot.
He's trying not to be in the shot, but he's cleaning at the same time. So what are we doing? We're gonna gamble a little bit. Yes, we're gonna try our luck just for a little bit. I don't want to go crazy. What else? Oh, we're going to the Neon Museum, so I'm definitely gonna record that. And for lunch or dinner, we might go to Italy. I've been wanting to go there for a while. It's kind of like a cafeteria style place where you can get different types of Italian food. So I'm really looking forward to that. The reason why we took this road trip was because I wanted to celebrate my birthday and kind of wanted to get out a little bit, not really fly anywhere, just kind of drive. I actually like road trips, so yeah, we're gonna be in Vegas for the next couple of days, and yeah, I'm gonna film for you guys. That's it. Should I vlog with the camera?
If you're willing to carry
I'm debating if I want to take this big ass camera around with me. It's freaking heavy, guys. I don't know how vloggers do it. I don't know how you guys do it. Okay, this is today's outfit. Nothing fancy. We are going to be walking around a lot today, so just wearing some BDG jeans, Topshop, Commerce. And I wanted to show you guys jewelry from Choker Jewelry. These little heart-shaped earrings that I bought from Choker. I'll put the link in the description box. Alright, we're on our way to eat finally. We had a parking ordeal.